About 6 weeks from Easter, you may start seeing things for Shrove Tuesday, or as Mardi Gras enthusiasts refer to it, Fat Tuesday, or as its overprotective mother might refer to it, Big Bone Tuesday. Now maybe there's a pancake breakfast or supper, but what is that? Shrove Tuesday. And what do pancakes have to do with anything? No, besides butter and syrup. It's all about Shrove Tuesday on this episode of Chuck Knows Church. Shrove Tuesday is the day before Ash Wednesday, which is the first day of Lent, which is 40 days before Easter, and 29 days before my birthday. Well, it's 40 days before Easter if you don't count the Sundays, because Lent, never mind. We're talking about Lent in another episode, and we're talking about my birthday, never. Thank you for that. So, Shrove Tuesday, or Fat Tuesday, or maybe you recognize Pancake Tuesday. It's all clicking now, isn't it? Now, the word shrove is the past tense of the verb shrive. And we all know what that means, don't we? Yeah, I didn't think so. Shrive means to receive absolution by confessing and doing penance. So Shrove Tuesday got its name from the shriving that Christians were supposed to do immediately before Lent. Lent being a time to prepare for Easter through prayer or repentance, and most commonly, perhaps, self-denial, like giving up sweets or fatty foods or reality television. Now, preparing for that self-denial meant limiting the good things that you might find tempting. So, traditionally, for many, Shrove Tuesday became Fat Tuesday or even Pancake Tuesday, because making a pancake is a way to use up all the rich foods like eggs and milk and sugar before the fasting season of the 40 days of Lent. Now, this is a particularly effective practice if you like jelly bean, chocolate chip, leftover pie pancakes, which I do. Of course, at our church, Shrove Tuesday always means a pancake breakfast. Someone has to eat them, right? Use up all the fat and sugar and jelly beans. All right, to learn more, you can ask your pastor. Oh, tell me something. Oh, these are good. Really tasty jelly beans. Man, I lost a little bit here. My compliments to the chef.
We're never going to say cut. We're just going to keep on going and going.
This is what I love for my birthday.
I didn't realize you don't have any water. Clear.